What's up, Spice? So today there is a tropical storm, and it's supposed to turn into it could turn into a hurricane, but right now all it's turned into is a tornado watch. So, hang on, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. And, well, we already started the video. Oh yeah, there's Addison, guys. She didn't say hi yet. So yeah, there is a tornado watch. I thought there would be a watch, but not with this weather. I mean, look, it doesn't really look like there's a watch. I mean, it was really windy earlier. It's sprinkling a little. Yeah.
Wait, it said tornado. Oh, it's the music.
So
That's
there's
the map.
tornado watch.
Yeah, so I think we're still safe. I mean,
Here,
only tornado watch. Here's the weather.
guys are
It's
looking.
live.
Oh, it's live.
I think this right here.
Oh yeah, look.
Oh wait, where's the weather guy? The man.
Okay, I'm gonna go out.
Yeah,
real
where's
quick.
Dennis?
Just search his name.
He's usually on Facebook.
Okay.
Yeah, I got him.
I'm scared to be out here, guys. He's not doing it.
What the hell is this thing?
Okay.
That's Oh, Garcia.
Okay, guys, our mom is cleaning out the storage room and making room, just in case we have to go in there.
Is it a tornado?
Yeah. Okay.
Mommy.
Those clouds look a little
Just in case there's a tornado.
rough.
I don't know how long it is. It's not live.
So he can track the tropical.
Oh, this is only like the
That has to be alive.
thing. No. It was
Oh, they're not
like 6
talking about
hours ago.
the tornado. They're talking about the hurricane.
Weather.
Oh, they just said there's going to be a hurricane tomorrow morning.
Really did.
Yes? It just said on that thing. Go back on. Don't you? Okay, guys, this selfie stick piece came off, so I won't be able to fix that right now. It's pretty hard to put back on. Well, I just cleaned my room yesterday,
I erased
so hopefully there's not a tornado.
You want to erase this one by one?
No.
Mommy, I erased it.
I just cleaned my room today, or yesterday. My bed I did not make yet this moment.
I'm getting
I might
all my
make that right now.
expensive stuff.
I'm
These
surprised.
people are expensive.
Okay.
Never get remade. Mommy, I got spaghetti and monkey.
Did my pillow fall off the bed again last night? Oh my god. My pillow, that's like the second time in a row that my pillow has fell off the bed. Comment down below if you hate when your pillow falls off the bed. I really hate it because I'm always too tired to pick it up.
This is all my Valentine job. So why are you making your bed?
I like this because it's like a pillow and it's really comfy. Some nights I sleep on it. It's really comfy. Huh?
Why are you making your bed?
I don't know, because I want to. I want my room to be nice. Okay. Get this tape off of here. Okay. Is Ivy allowed to come out?
He said no, but I'm just going to hold her.
Okay. Can you show off my lights, Addison?
The best, Ivy? Yeah. If I could pick her up. She not you.
I got it. Okay. My room looks nice.
She closed the door, so I.
Yeah. Oh, guys, look at that.
No, Ivy. You wanna hold her?
Yes, guys. So we're going to bring Ivy if there is a tornado warning.
Any trash in your bedroom, buddy?
There's like,
Trash these pictures?
no, I'm going to do something with those. Yeah, I have a few things. Oh, guys, look at Ivy.
Say, hey guys, what's up?
Do you think Ivy's done with this bone day?
Hey.
Do you think Ivy's done with this?
No, keep that.
Okay.
Thanks.
Oh. Here, you want your bone? Ready? 1, 2. You don't want it? Okay, there. This, if you're wondering what this is, it grows if you put it in a tub or, well, I guess you have to put it in a tub because it grows up to 32 inches. And this also grows, it's starting to shrink down, and so is this. Got my walkie-talkie here, my Eagles helmet, an Ivy. Okay, guys, it actually just started raining. Okay. What? In my bedroom.
Show them our slime.
Oh, yeah. Well, I'm not going to show them mine. So Addison's just going to review to you guys the slime. Addison, you want to sit on my bed?
Sure.
So well, first she has like Stitch here. Okay.
This is like really stiff, so maybe we could go.
You want to go fix it with them?
Sure.
Okay. I'll come with you and hold it.
It's like really stiff.
Wait, throw this on real quick. There's a trash can in here, so luckily I can just throw it out.
I'm going to ask Alexa how to make like with your.
Oh, we have to shut these shutters, Addison, just in case if there is a tornado warning. We don't want glass flying in our house. We'll avoid that if the windows do break. We'll be right back. Okay, Addison, ready? Let's go fix it. Coming. Oh, guys, my grandpa gives me like these test trucks every year. Yeah, for Christmas.
Hey guys.
So, yeah, these are all of them. I've been getting them for 8 years. Jesus. Okay. Back. Well, guys, he didn't give me one, which was in 2016. Okay, guys, this is in order. 2015, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, and 2023. Okay, ready?
You can really hear the rain.
Yeah.
Hold on.
It's getting more and more close to a tornado.
It's really rippy. Wait. When I stretch it slow, it like stretches good, but when I stretch it
Ooh,
fast,
yeah, that feels like real rubbery.
when I stretch
You
it
know,
fast,
I don't like them when it's
Wait,
rubbery.
why is it like doing that? When I stretch it fast, it like rips.
So where are you going to put in it to fix it?
Like water would stain it.
Wait, what?
Water would make it like go on my hands. I'll try a little.
Try a little bit of water.
Yeah.
So you're just going to do some water here.
Okay, I
There.
think that's good.
Whoa!
That squirted on me.
Me too. You just kind of mix it real good.
Yeah,
And
it's going to
what,
be
put some
sticky.
soap.
A little bit more water. I feel like it's going to tell on us.
There.
Yeah, I think this is a bad idea to get like a tub. Okay. I think that's enough water now. Okay, now it's really stretchy, but it still feels kind of rubbery.
Yeah.
So should I do more water? Soap makes it like spongy.
Yeah.
Spongy texture. Look, you could just point it at the thing. Okay. Okay, I'll show you too. It's getting really sticky.
Uh-oh. You want me to mix it for you? I'm really good at mixing it.
No, I'm good. Oh, there we go. It's getting sticky.
No more water.
Soap makes it
Yeah.
to like.
It's feeling out. Oh,
The
wow.
soap makes it.
That feels a lot better. It's a lot more
Wait.
soft.
How is it like? Wait, let's see when I do it fast if it rips.
Oh!
It doesn't rip.
You fixed it. That's a lot better.
Should I add like some soap? I think the soap makes the dye like go on.
I'm gonna go see what Reed's doing.
Look, I'm gonna add a little bit more water.
Okay, so she's just fixing her slime a little bit more. Be right back. Okay, guys, we're still under tornado watch. Well, that is it for today, guys. See you guys later. Bye. Peace. Woo!